You got to do an internal cut. You're going to do it with a jigsaw. I ain't got time to go get a drill and a drill bit. So kind of, I think, a little known fact, but I've been doing this for a long time. You can plunge cut with a jigsaw. And what you'll do is, on the waist side of the line, you don't plunge, you ease. So that's going to go like this. So if you watch carefully, what I was doing there was I was plunging and I was moving a little bit forward at the same time. You got to give that blade kind of a place to go as you're swinging through the cut. Don't try to go too fast or it'll chunk, chunk, chunk. You know, the tip of the blade will start to hit the wood. So next time you've got an internal like this, don't waste your time going to get a drill and a drill bit. Just ease on down the road, ease into that plunge, easy to do.